To insert an image on your Google document, first put your cursor where you want the image to go. Then click on the Insert menu option and choose Image. You'll see you have several options here. You can upload from your computer, you can search the web. If you have photos in your Google Drive or even your Google Photos, you can insert them from there. If you are on a website and have the specific URL address for a picture, you can insert it that way. And if your computer has a camera, you can take a photo right then and there and insert that in your document as well. Let's choose Search the Web option. So I'm going to come over here. I already typed in cat before, so I'm going to hit cat, and then notice I can select more than one photo. When I left click on a photo, it puts a little check mark next to it, and I can sit here and click as many photos as I want. It shows me right now 3 selected. I'm going to actually unselect these though because I just want to enter 1 right now, and then click on Insert. So you can see this brings the image in pretty large. So you want to left click on the image and notice the little squares that are around the image. If you left click and drag from the corners, you can resize your photo to make it smaller. Notice what happens when you left click and drag from the squares that are in the centers. It distorts your photo. I see this way too often where people will resize their photo and they don't realize that they're actually distorting it. So remember, always grab from any of the corners will keep your photo proportionate. You can also crop your photo. So let me make this a little larger so I can show cropping. You can click on the crop image icon up here, or you can double left click on your photo, and notice now the black lines that appear around the corners and the side. So you would left click and drag these. Let's say we just want to get the eyes in here. So I left click and drag, and I can resize from the corners or crop from the corners, the tops and bottoms. This is not changing the size of the photo. This is changing what area is going to show. Then when I left click off of the photo, you can see that I have cropped and showed just this image on here. One last thing you can do, I'm going to Control Z to get back to our normal size photo. That's undoing it. Is you will see right above the little square at the top a circle. If you left click and drag this, you can actually rotate your photo. The next video I'll show how to upload it straight from your computer and these layout options below.